The number one question that we get right now in the summertime, with having a huge influx of windshield replacements that are equipped with lane departure cameras, the number one question we're getting is, Jake, you've priced me out for a windshield replacement, but why do I need the recalibration? And then I have to explain and educate our customer. Well, the reason that you need a recalibration along with the replacement is because when we go to cut that old windshield out, we remove it, we prep it, and then we glue the new windshield to the body. Well, we've changed that decking height of that glass by maybe a couple millimeters. We're humans. We're not robots stamping glass in. So right now, when that camera is aiming out of that windshield, that could be off by a couple millimeters, which could translate to a couple feet through that ADAS camera. So the recalibration process allows us to get that camera aiming through that glass at perfect zero and bring it back to OEM specifications. So once I explain that to the customer and they understand, hey, this is required with the equipment that your windshield has, and it's going to bring it back to OEM spec.